Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop. I'll be back at you guys in another video. Now in today's video, I will be doing a sneaker unboxing. Just got my Air Jordan 1 Obsidians in. Just gonna give you guys a quick look. I know there's a ton of videos on YouTube about these, but I figured I'd share my thoughts and opinions. Now I wasn't too sold on this shoe when I first got it, but maybe my mind will be changed now I got them in. Also, shout out the Bears. Bears are playing tonight versus Green Bay. Huge Bears fan, so yeah, if you guys give a shit about the NFL, bear down. Let's get it. But anyways, that is why I'm in all Bears gear, by the way. Just wanted to give you guys a disclaimer. So anyways, here we go. I'm going to make this quick because I'm actually going down to the NFL Experience today down in downtown Chicago. So I just want to film this real quick and give you guys my thoughts. And right off the bat, I did peep these, and this pair is so buttery. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I wasn't really hype on these when they first dropped. I just tried for them because I figured they would have some resale value. I could make a few dollars. I didn't even think about keeping them, and I kept on seeing them. I'm gonna get you guys some up close shots here for sure, because this pair is so nice. But anyways, I copped on sneakers, so I was like, all right, I'll flip these for sure. And I kept seeing pictures and pictures, and I'm like, damn, these are kind of nice. I kind of fuck with them. And now seeing them in hand, I mean, I was actually joking with my friend. I was like, I hope they don't give me a really good leather pair so I'm not forced to keep them. And I mean, this leather on here is phenomenal. Like, look at this. Like, you could see the creasing already. Like, you just know this is buttery soft leather. I know there were some issues with people's pairs. Like, a lot of pairs came different. But damn, this one pair I got is magnificent. And that Jordan 1 smell, man, oh my God. Like, I can't get enough of that smell. And I just look, now seeing these in hand, like, oh man, I'm going to have to keep these. I don't know. We'll see. I might just keep these dead stock and see what happens with the price. And like, I don't know, man, but I'm really feeling this pair. I like the sale. The only complaint I got is that I need a sale color lace. Come on, Nike, like, why can't you hit me with 2 laces? I like that it came with the navy, but I need the sale color laces, man. Come on. Y'all doing us wrong. I mean, you guys have seen this shoe, so I just had to give my thoughts and opinions, and man, did my opinion change on these. I apologize to Jordan Brand for sleeping on these. I didn't really sleep on them because I still tried copping, but I guess if I knew this pair was going to be like this when I got it, I would have been way more hyped up on these like before the release. So I guess that's kind of just how it happens, man. I mean, I'm so glad I got a good pair. Like, this is the first time from Nike that they've actually sent me like a high quality pair. So I'm pretty shocked on this. And I'm not going to compare it to shattered backboards because I've never had a shattered backboard. So yeah, I don't really know what to tell you guys if you're wondering if they're shattered backboard quality. All I just know is this pair I got from Nike is super buttery. Man, I love these. They remind me of the Utah Jazz uniforms back in the Darren Williams area. That's exactly what they remind me of. But anyways, that's just whatever, a little NBA uniform reference for you guys. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to jump out of here because I want to go enjoy my day. I figured I'd give you guys a quick look at these. I know there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube, but hey, I figured I'd pick them up and I'd share my thoughts with you guys. If you guys watch this video, I appreciate you. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.